It seems like winter wants to stick around a little longer. As another storm system is moving into the northwest, it's bringing heavy snow to parts of the northern plains.
Meanwhile, parts of the south are enjoying the warm spring weather. Will it last through the weekend? Your forecast is next on WeatherScope.
For a scope of coverage you won't find anywhere else, this is WeatherScope Tonight.
Well, spring is officially here, and parts of the South can finally enjoy some sunshine and warm temperatures. Good evening, I'm Janetta Jones.
And I'm Jill Brown here with the bad news. That winter weather will change the weekend plans for some folks in the northern plains as yet another system is headed in your direction. Heavy snow is in the forecast, and we may even have blizzard conditions. What does that mean for you if you live in Bismarck or Fargo? Well, it means a continuation of an already rough winter. These are your normal seasonal snowfall totals. But this is what we've had so far. We're way above the normal season at this point in some locations, and a little bit below in others, like Denver and Minneapolis and Sioux Falls. Could you use a little bit more snow? Well, I hope the answer to that would be yes, because it looks like you're probably going to get it. Definitely going to see some colder temperatures. Here's the storm system. It's in the west. The satellite picture will show it very nicely. You can see the spin in the clouds right through there. That's the upper level low. The surface low is a little farther to the east, and as the two work their way inland, it looks like we are going to see some big snow through the next 24 hours, and then we will also see severe weather. So some real changes coming up here for folks in the west as the front slides down. We didn't actually get a whole lot of rain today, but we think we'll probably see some, and we may even get a few thunderstorms out there. The change is going to come when temperatures start to drop. As this front comes down through Arizona and Utah, temperatures in the 70s and 80s may go by the wayside. And winter storm warnings are in effect now for the mountains of Utah and on up into Montana, where we're talking about 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow. It is not likely to be as heavy here in the Cascades or the Sierra Nevada. As a matter of fact, we don't even have snow advisories in effect in those areas. So it's rain for the moment in Salt Lake City, but it should be mixing with and then changing to snow. So a snow day tomorrow. And if you're thinking of taking advantage of that fresh powder, remember, chain requirements could go into effect. So getting to the ski resorts could be a little trickier. Plan ahead, and you might be okay to get in on some spring skiing. Might be a little bit easier here. However, the winds are so strong, it's going to be windy, and possibly we'll have some blowing snow around the Truckee and Tahoe areas. A little farther to the north, we will continue to see rain, snow at the elevation of about 3,000 feet, but again, nothing real heavy through this area. The heavy snow will be a little bit farther to the east. Take a look at our snowfall forecast here, and you'll see some big stuff. Bright white on this map shows you where we expect to see more than 1 foot of snow.
Well, the storm that hit the Midwest earlier this week is fading, but it's still dropping snow showers over the eastern Great Lakes. We take you to New York, south of Buffalo, near the Pennsylvania state line. The new snow spelled fun for these elementary school children. A beautiful day shaping up for you tomorrow, but it's going to be cold tonight.
As we mentioned, the northern plains are preparing for blizzard conditions as another system moves into the region. In west central Indiana, motorists are still having to the Ohio Valley. Extremely windy back behind this, and obviously the chance for snow will persist. This time in Minneapolis, we could be talking about some heavy snow after the icy conditions to begin with, so that's going to make travel very, very treacherous. Scattered showers and thunder showers across the southeast, and this one could be quite a storm system. We are gearing up right now for some special coverage, as I mentioned, and Jill, I think folks are going to want to tune in this weekend. Even if it looks like the weather's nice where you are, keep in mind the storm is probably eventually going to affect you.
That's right.
Looks like a busy weekend ahead, whether you get snow or severe thunderstorms. Stay tuned. We'll give you details on your local forecast.
They say these little pills